Many people have good ideas in meetings, but they don't say them. Why? Because they don't know how to interrupt politely. So they stay quiet, and their ideas are lost. In this video, you'll learn how to interrupt politely in a meeting without sounding rude or awkward. Stay till the end to practice the key sentences out loud. In this video, let's practice how to interrupt politely in a meeting.
Stay with us till the end and you'll feel much more confident using these sentences at work.
We're in the middle of a team meeting. Now let's see how Harry and I interrupt politely to ask questions, clarify points, and share ideas. So based on last week's discussion, we're planning to move forward with the current rollout schedule.
Sorry, Alice. May I jump in for a moment?
Oh, of course. Go ahead.
Thank you. I just wanted to clarify one point before we move on. When you say current schedule, does that include the testing phase or just the launch date?
Good question. It includes both. The testing phase starts next Monday, and the launch follows 2 weeks later.
Got it. Thanks.
No problem. As I was saying, the goal is to keep things moving without adding extra steps.
Sorry to interrupt again, but can I add something here?
Yes, please.
Just a quick thought. If we keep the timeline this tight, we might not have enough buffer for unexpected issues. I'm not suggesting a full delay, but maybe we could build in a small buffer.
Thanks for raising that. We actually discussed this briefly, but we didn't make a final decision. Let me finish this point first, then we can come back to the buffer. So, the main reason for the current plan is alignment with the client timeline. That said, risk management is still important.
Sorry, one quick clarification. When you say client timeline, are we locked into those dates?
That's a good question. We're aligned on the target dates, but there is some flexibility if we communicate early.
That helps. Thanks.
No problem at all. Does anyone else have questions before we move on?
Not a question, but I'd like to share a related idea. This connects to what you mentioned earlier. Instead of adding buffer time at the end, we could adjust the order of tasks to reduce risk.
That's interesting. Can you explain a bit more?
Sure. If we move testing slightly earlier, we might catch issues sooner without changing the final date.
That's a good suggestion. Thanks for jumping in there.
Thanks for letting me.
No problem. I appreciate you raising it politely. Let me note those ideas down so they don't get lost.
Great.
All right. Let's continue with the next agenda item. Now it's your turn. Listen first, then repeat out loud. Sorry to interrupt, but may I ask a question? Can I jump in for a moment? Just a quick clarification. Before we move on, can I add something? Sorry to interrupt, but I just wanted to clarify one point before we move on. If you don't mind, I'd like to add a quick thought. Say it again. Focus on tone and timing, not speed. Great work. Interrupting in a meeting is not about stopping others. It's about joining the conversation, keeping things clear, and adding value at the right time. When you interrupt politely, people listen instead of feeling interrupted. Come back later today and shadow this video one more time. And if you want to communicate confidently in meetings, subscribe for more daily workplace English. See you in the next lesson.